My name is Ira Reddy, lecturer in computer, JVR Government Degree College, Sottapalli. Programming in Java. In this programming in Java, we are learning about conditional statements in Java. First, programming in Java. In this programming in Java, our learning objectives are conditional statements. The conditional statements are: first one, if condition, if statement, if else statement, nested if statement, if else if statement, switch statement. Here, if statement. In if statement, the syntax of if statement is: if test expression open bracket statement or statements close the bracket. Here, text expression, if the expression is true, here test expression, here the condition is true, the body is executed. When the condition, the test expression is false, then statement just below if, the if statement is statement just below if. That means the end of the next step of the if statement conditions statements are executed. Here we take the example: write a program to find the given number is even number or odd number. If class simplif, you are using simplif here, public static void main, string arguments, here int is equal to 10 if n modulus 2 is equal to 0. If n is equal to 10, modulus of 2 is equal to 0. System, here this is even number. In the printout, this is even number. Here the program is executes with if the condition is satisfied, the statements is executes. If the condition is failed, the statements is false, the statements of the body is not executed, it go to the end of if statement. Then The next one is the if else statement. If text expression statement or statements, if else and then statements. Here you see the image flowchart. Text expression. If the text expression is true, the body of if is execute, else the body of else is executed. Otherwise, statements below the if statement is executed. Here, if within the bracket statements, else part within the bracket statements. You have a two type of statements. The first one is if the statement is the expression is true, the first statements are executed. Otherwise, else the statement of else part is executed. Then statement of below if is executed later. Write a program for if else statement. If else condition. Class if else public static void main string int n is equal to 11 if n modulus 2 is equal to 0. In if part statement system out dot print ln even number. If n number modulus by 2 is equal to 0 is true, the if statement body is executed. In the print even number is printed. Else otherwise n modulus 2 is not is equal to 0, then the system output println prints the odd number. The second part, that is else part, is executed here. Here write a program to find whether the given number is even or odd. If first part if condition statement is executed, the first part of the statement is true, the statement of if statement, the statement of if is executed. If the condition is false, go to the else part, then the statements of else part is executed here. Nested if test condition, if test condition 2 statement 1 else, statement 2 else, then statement 3. This is nested if. If test condition 1, if test condition 2, statement 1, else if statement 2, else statement 3. Here you go to the here text condition 1, that is true, it go to the test condition 2, again this is true, statement 1 is executed, and then it go to the statement n. If the test condition false, it go to the statement 3 and go to the statement n. N is nothing but if test condition is true, the one first test condition is true, and then second test condition is also true, go to statement 1. If first condition is 1 is true, then second condition 1 2 is the second condition is false, it go to the statement 2 and go to the statement n. This is an example program for nested if statement. Class Java app public static void main string int age is equal to 20, if age less than or is equal to 40, if age less than or is equal to 15, system.out.println child, else here age less than or is equal to 15, then if first condition true, go to the second condition, else part, then second condition is false, print l. If second condition is false, true, go to the third statement and it is print. Otherwise, go to the back. This is the if nested if statement. If else if ladder. The general form of if condition 1 statement 1, else if condition 2 statement 2, else if condition 3 statement 3, else statement n, or if the condition 1 black 1, if condition 2 black 2, if condition 3 black 3, else black n. Same here, the general form of if else ladder is, the general form is if condition 1 statement 1, if condition 2 statement 2, if condition 3 statement 3, if else condition n statement n, else no condition, if else statement n is prints, executes. Here in the flow chart, condition 1 statement 1, condition 2 statement 2, condition 3 statement 3. These are the true part. Here if any condition fails, go to the statement n. Statement n. Here if condition 1 black 1 is executed, otherwise else part condition 1 is false, go to the condition 2. Condition is true, executes the black 2. If condition 2 is true, executes the black 2. If condition 2 is false, go to the condition 3. Condition 3 is true, execute the black 3. If condition 3 is false, go to the condition up to n. The example for if then else. Int exam score 82 character grade, exam score 92 greater than 90 grade A, if exam is equal to greater than or 80 grade B, 70 grade C, 60 grade D, else grade F. Here first condition not satisfied, go to second, and go second condition not satisfied, go to third condition not satisfied, go to 4. If fourth condition satisfied, execute the statements. If fourth condition also not satisfied, else n, statement n is executed. Next one is switch statement. General form is switch expression. Case constant 1, statement break. Case constant 2, statement break. Case constant n, statement break. Default statement. The switch statement is multi-way conditional statement where expression is an integer expression or character type expression and condition 1 to n, condition n are the constant or constant expression called case labels. Here, if the switch statement is executed, the value of the expression is successfully compared against the value of constant 1, constant 2 and constant n. If a case is found whose value matches with the constant of the expression, the block of statement the following is the case are executed. The break statement at the end of a particular case causes an exit from the switch statement. The absence of break statement at each block causes the sequential execution of all statements from the block to the end of the switch structure. The default statement is executed if no matches are found. Example program for switch. Here int equal to day 5, switch day, case 1, break, case 2, system output Tuesday, break, case 3, system output Wednesday, break 4, system output Thursday, and up to Sunday. This is the switch statement. Break statement, branching mechanism statement. The break statement is a branching statement that contains two forms, labeled and unlabeled. The break statement is used for breaking the execution of loop, while, do while, and for. If also terminates the switch statement. Breaks the innermost loop of switch statement. Break label breaks the outermost loop in the series of nested loop. The continue statement. This is branching statement that are used in the looping statement while, do while, and for to skip the current iteration of the loop and resume the next iteration. Syntax is continue. The return statement. It is a special branching statement that transfers the control to the caller of the method. This statement is used to return a value to the caller method and terminates execution of method. This has two forms, one the return a value and the other that cannot return. The returned value type must match the return type of method. Syntax: return, return value. Return, this returns nothing, so this can be used when method is declared with. Void return type: return expression, it returns the value evaluated from the expression. Once again, we repeat the conditional statements. Again, it is very important, for it is using everywhere in the programming. First one is the learning. This is the learning objects are conditional statements. If statement, if text expression, if expression is true, the statement is executed. Otherwise, the if statement just below if, the statement executes other than if. This is the example for if statement. Next one is if else statement. If else means we have if statement, we have statements. In the else part also we have statements. If the if condition is false, the first statement should execute. Then in else part, the second statements are executes. This is the program for if else statements. This is the given number is even number or odd number. If the given number is even, it is true, the first statement is executes, otherwise the second statement is executes. The next one is the nested if statement. Here we have a good example. If age less than 15 is a child, if age less than particular age 40 is young, if above 40 the output is old. This is the example for the nested if. If else if ladder. Here if else if ladder, if condition statement 1 else, if condition statement 2 executes, if condition 2 is true, the condition 2 is true, the statement is executed, else go to the condition 3. If condition 3 statements is true, condition true, the statement of condition 3 is executed, otherwise it go to the up to condition n. The example for the nested if. We have taken the options of if condition, then execute the statement, if condition execute the statements, okay. If otherwise else part go to the grade F. Here this is the here it written wrong. If else ladder here. This is the flowchart of if else ladder. It is easy to understand. Here condition 1 2 3 here. If false, condition 1 is true, the statement true is executed, 1 is executed. If condition false, go to the condition 2. Then condition 2 is true, go to the statement 2. If condition 2 is false, go to the condition 3. If it is true, go to the statements. This is the if else if ladder. This is example for the if else ladder. The next one is the switch statement. Switch statement is case statement, case 2, break, and statement n, constant n, statement break. Print are default statements here. This is the multi-way conditional statement where expression is an integer expression or character type expression, and constant 1, constant 2, constant n are the constant of or constant expression called case labels. If the switch statement is executed, the value of the expression is successfully compared against the value of constant 1, constant 2, constant n. If a case is found whose value matches with the constant of an expression, the block of statement that follow the case are executed. The break statement at the end of particular case and exit from the switch statement. The absence of break statement at each block causes the sequential execution of all statements from the block to the end of the switch state structure. The default statement is executed if no matches are found. This is an example program. Branching mechanism statement. Here the branching mechanism here, break statement here. The break statement is the branching statement that contains two forms, labeled and unlabeled. The break statement is used for breaking the execution of a loop while, do while, and for. It also terminates the switch statement. Syntax: break breaks the innermost loop or switch statement, break the outermost loop in the series of nested loop. The continue statement. This is branching statement that are used in the looping statement, while, do while, and for, to skip the current iteration of loop and resume the next iteration. Syntax: continue. Return statement. It is a special branching statement that transfer the control to the caller of the method. The statement is used to return a value to the caller method and terminates execution of method. This has two forms, one that returns a value and the other that cannot return. The return value type must match the return type of method. Syntax: return value. This returns nothing, so this can be used when method is declared with void return type. Return expression. It returns the value evaluated from the expression. Thank you. It is very important to learn the conditional statements. Every statement must be used in different programs. Basically, you have to learn perfectly.